Mastering the perfect self-tape. In the dynamic world of acting, nailing your self-tape can make all the difference. With casting directors sifting through countless submissions, standing out is crucial. Here are 6 essential tips to ensure your self-tape shines. 1. Film in landscape. Always film your self-tapes in landscape mode, even if using your phone. Think of your tape as a TV or film screen, a landscape orientation is standard. 2. Avoid looking into the camera. Imagine your character's scene and focus your eyes just off camera where the other person would be. Avoid looking directly into the camera unless specifically instructed, and keep your face visible. 3. Minimize movement. Limit your movements to avoid distracting the casting director. Decide whether you'll sit or stand before filming and stay in that position to avoid moving the camera. 4. Choose a neutral background. Use a plain, neutral-colored wall with good natural light to avoid distracting backgrounds. If necessary, hang a piece of material or a bed sheet to create a neutral backdrop. 5. Frame yourself properly. Ensure you are centered in the frame with minimal space around you. Avoid having too much space above or to the side, keeping the focus on you. Be original. Make the piece your own, even if it's a well-known monologue. Avoid imitating well-known performers to prevent direct comparisons. Stand out by interpreting the lines in your unique way and committing to your choices. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.